Alright, so we're about to fix our Whirlpool Duet. It's giving us an error code F21, which is a poor drainage. So we're gonna lift it up and slide it.
Nope, that's not it. Lift up again.
Okay.
Okay, there you go.
And there is a screw there. I think you're going to need a T21 TORX screwdriver. No, I think if you have that, that would be better and easier. Now, if your washing machine is lifted up, it's much easier to get through. Okay. Did you get it yet?
Nope.
Hmm?
No.
So as soon as the drainage is emptied, I believe the problem will be solved.
I'm not gonna put these in so tight. I'm gonna put it back together. That way we can just do this like once every year.
Okay. Oh, so.
That's two.
Oh, you removed the. Oh, so you have just one more. Oh, great. So this, what we're using now is just an alternative to the actual.
This is an Allen screw.
What is this called?
An Allen screw.
A what?
Allen wrench.
An
Allen wrench.
An Allen wrench screw. Rich. Okay.
Wrench.
Okay. Oh, that's the third one.
The screw has for an Allen wrench or for a torque wrench.
Okay. So we have the third one, and then we're now going to. Whoa! Finally remove this.
Okay, now we need something to catch the water.
Okay. So I have a towel.
Give me the towel.
How about that? So you're going to need something to catch the water. So we have towel here. Okay. Slide it down. And I think we need a bucket.
Here it comes. Here it comes.
Yeah, we need a bucket. Here you
can't
go.
get no bucket.
I mean to.
Soak it up.
Yeah. Here you go.
Oh, he said it stinks. It sure do.
It stinks, right? We've been going to the public laundromat for a while now, so we just decided to fix it today. Oh my! Ooh!
It's making that much water. Need more towels, Miss Bigelow.
Ooh! Look at that. Is it?
It's all drained down in the basement.
Is that a rubber band?
You got all kind of crap in here,
oh,
man.
Oh wow!
Pieces to ink pens.
Can you put everything in the bucket?
See, this is because you don't be watching what you put in there to
wow,
wash.
look at coins. Oh my goodness. It stinks. Oh my. Honey, I really thank you for fixing this.
Yeah, I'm sure. Washing machine repairman would have charged you $200.
Yep.
$150.
Just fixed it ourselves. Wow. You know how long we've had this washing machine? It's over I think we had it before Marachi was born. It's over 10 years we had it.
Yeah.
Oh my, look at that. I'm glad we're able to do this morning. Wow, it has every reason to clog.
Yeah, you need to be more careful what you're putting in there.
So I think we need to wash that. We need to wash these out though. I think can I give you the water? Let me pour. I have water in the kettle. Let me just pour water around it. Okay.
Well, it's clean.
No, honey. Let me look at what I'm saying. Let me get the water. Just gonna.
Yeah, we got pieces of plastic. We got rubber bands.
Look at that.
A baby sock.
What? Let me see.
Stuff you be putting in here, Justina. We got ink pen.
Ink pen in it. Oh my goodness.
Oh boy, oh boy.
These are all the things that came out of the. Ooh. Would you mind